Hope you remember your high school chemistry, dust off that periodic table, because the U.S. and several other nations are very angry about China curbing the exports of some rare earth minerals. These are elements that I'm not even going to begin to try and pretend that I know how to pronounce them, but these are very rare minerals that are extremely important in a lot of tech products, other industrial products. China has a large portion of them, but they've been cutting back on exports, and the U.S. and others do think that that is unfair trade. One stock in the U.S. that may rise on this news is a company called Molycorp, ticker is MCP. That is a company that mines for some of these rare earth minerals here in the United States and elsewhere. So keep an eye on that one. That could move as the U.S. and others try and get China to step up the exports of some of these minerals. Another company to keep an eye on, as always, some little obscure company named after a fruit. Apple, again, all-time high, closed on Monday at 552. In early trading, it was heading towards 557. You have to wonder, a lot of people thought that there would be this big sell-off on disappointment because of the new iPad release, that all the good news was baked in as everyone was expecting iPad 3 or iPad HD. And even though some people were a little bit perplexed by why Apple didn't decide to come up with a splashy new name, such as iPad HD or iPad 3, instead of just calling it the new iPad, you're not seeing that disappointment at all. Pre-orders obviously very strong, and my gut tells me that when Apple reports earnings in April, they're probably going to be very, very strong. The guidance is going to be great, so this may be a stock that continues to rise. Finally, retail sales data reported by the government on Tuesday morning. That is another bit of encouraging news, suggests that the economy may in fact be picking up some steam. Retail sales a little bit higher than expected. Yes, the skeptics may point to the fact that rising gas prices are one of the contributing factors in better than expected retail sales. There's a certain degree of truth to that, but also the weather may be helping to artificially lift things, as people in the Northeast and other parts of the country more likely to go out and shop in the usually slow months of January and February. But these are all excuses. Retail sales are improving. You're seeing good signs of strength in many retailers across the board. That's a good sign. It is encouraging. Yes, we don't know if it's going to be sustainable, but for the time being, it does point to an improving economy.